What's up, my soul squad? Hey everybody, welcome to my kitchen. Welcome to all my new subscribers. I hope you guys are enjoying my channel along with the cooking, the vlogs, and of course on the couch every Saturday 12. Well, you know what, guys? Summertime coming. You know what happens when summertime comes? It's Turn Up Friday. Hey, it's Turn Up Friday. Hey, yes, it's gonna be June soon. On the couch going what? The back burner. Turn Up Friday is coming. We're going to have some fun. I am making a Hennessy cake. I'm not doing it by scratch, not doing it by homemade, because guess what? We all want something that's quick and easy, and we're in the house, and I have a couple of boxes of cake mix laying around, and I said, you know what? Let's make some Hennessy. Look at that Henny. I don't do dark liquor, I really don't, but I'm going to cook with it, because this week, I'm bringing you guys a Hennessy upside down pineapple cake. It's a Coke and Hennessy wings. And that's a treat. Set this to the side. I am going in with regular old, don't have to be nothing special, name brand, cake mix 89 cents, all these. I got yellow. Now, even though the directions say oil, I don't use oil in my cake. Nope. I'm gonna use butter, and I'm using 2 boxes of cake mix, and that's because I'm using my deep round bundt pan. Now, if you got one of those small bundt pans, of course use 1 box and do half of what I'm doing. But I'm going with 2 boxes because I have a big bundt pan, and pretty much I'm not even gonna tell you. You can follow the instructions that's on the package, and of course it's going to come out great. Or you can just do it my way, just to take your cake almost to a homemade status. They give it like, if someone was to taste it, they'd be like, oh my God, it's the best homemade cake ever. Guess what? It's box cake. They ain't got to know what's going on. Your kitchen your way, their kitchen their way. I'm going in with 2 sticks of butter. Because, and this is unsalted, room temperature salted. I took it out last night. When I want to use butter, I take it out the night before. I don't take it out the same day because I want it to be the way I want it to be. And again, because it said, this thing say a half a cup of vegetable oil. So I'm using 2 boxes. That gives me 2 sticks of unsalted soft butter. Now I'm going in with my eggs. 6 eggs, guys. And of course you could crack yours in a bowl. I'm not doing all that. You know what? I leave my stuff to the baking gods. Hopefully nothing, I don't get a spoiled egg or anything like that. Yeah. I leave it to the baking gods, honey. I just been doing things a certain way for so long. How many was that, y'all? 4? Okay. 6. Now, if you want to make this homemade, oh my goodness, okay, there are tons of recipes when someone's doing their homemade by scratch, and I do 2 teaspoons. 1, 2 teaspoons of vanilla. There's tons and tons and tons of recipe someone's making it by scratch, but you know what? It just wasn't me today. And then, unfortunately, when I was trying to do it by scratch, I couldn't get no cake flour anywhere. Now, and also, I know how to turn all-purpose flour into cake flour using cornstarch. I have to tell you guys, I gotta show you guys how to do that too. I ain't feel like doing all that. It was just something in me today say, do it with the box. Somebody appreciate it, and you know, get it done. Now, I have my crushed pineapples. This is a 20-ounce can, juice and all. Ooh. And you're going to need a hand mixer. This is not a Wix. You don't have a KitchenAid, but you're going to need a hand mixer. The smell alone. Ooh-wee. This smells amazing. Now, I had to have half out. Me thinking I'm making another cake. I only need to have half. I forgot I was using the juices from the pineapple for my liquid. So you don't need to have half. Scrape your bowl down. Oh, can I tell you that this smells amazing already? So, oh my goodness. Let me clean this up. Let me show you the part with the Hennessy. Okay guys, we're back. Let's make our Hennessy butter brown sugar sauce. I'm going in with a half a stick of unsalted butter, a half a cup, half a cup of brown sugar. And we're just going to stir all that together until that butter and that brown sugar melt. We're not even adding the Hennessy in yet. I want the butter and the brown sugar melt together. Then I'm going to add in 1/4 cup of Hennessy. Maybe a little bit more than 1/4. But remember, it's your house. Alcohol is going to cook off. It's not going to be that strong, but it's going to give it flavor. So once this butter and brown sugar melt, we're going to add the Hennessy in, stir it up, and we're going to put this whole cake together. I can't wait. Okay, guys. Got that Henny. Got that Henny. And we'll need but 1/4. I don't got my glasses though. Ooh, that's a little bit over 1/4. But hey. Now. Oh yeah, and you also need some whole pineapples. Along with the crushed pineapples. Look at that. This is going to be my butter. Ooh, I cannot waste no alcohol. Let me cork that. And I'm going to add this. Look at that. Add like a tablespoon extra. That's all me. You got to wait till this cool down though. The sugar has been dissolving. The butter is melted. And this is your sauce. I want to give it about 5 minutes to cool down because you don't want to add the cold cake mix onto the hot sauce. We're not going to do that. I can smell the Hennessy. This Hennessy butter sauce. Amazing. This cake, you can't go wrong. Especially using box cake mix. Gonna let this cool off for about 5 minutes. While that's gone, while your Hennessy is cooling off, butter cooling off, do your pan, butter and grease it because remember, you're still making a cake. I use spray because this is what I do. But if you don't have the spray, just don't use the flour, just butter it. But I like baking spray. That's what I like to use. Oh, you're using too much. I'll make sure my stuff don't stick. Look at that. Then, you take your Hennessy salt. Look at that. All of the juices, that sugar. Then, the pineapples. You just lay it in there just like that. Side by side. And if you have some cherries, you can stick some cherries in the pineapple holes. Just like that. Ooh! Look at that. Ooh! That alcohol tastes good, guys. She's not a drunk. Can't wait to turn the Friday come. I really ain't been drinking this much this winter. And trust me, we got a lot of reasons to be drinking, right? But no, I'm going to wait till the summertime. I'm going to let this cool down. Be back. We'll pull this in here. It's going to be all she wrote. I'll be back. Okay, so guess what? I had come to realize I may only need 1 box of cake mix. So, this is going to be a double recipe. I think I'm making 2 of these. Because I just realized I may not get, oh, this thing is heavy. I can't do it. It's heavy. Give me that scoop. Oh, you gonna do? Okay. You pull it around. Okay. Keep pulling. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Oh, come on. Go some more. Alright, that's enough. Okay, guys. So, we need 1 box of cake mix. I want to make 2 of these bad boys. And just like that. Woo. I'm going to make 2. Now, what in the world? I'm going to do with 2 Hennessy cakes. Guess I called my sister to come and get 1 for her family. And that's what I'm going to do. So, I overcompensated. 1 box of cake mix will work. I thought I needed 2. But guess what? This is going in the oven, 350 for preheat. I'm at 350 about 40 to 50 minutes. When we come back, it'll be ready to flip. I'm out. Okay, guys, we're back. This cake is cool. I'm gonna flip it in front of you guys. Whew. My sister wanted cake. I'm gonna give her the other. Oh, I felt the flip. I'm gonna make it 2. I'm so scared to lift it up. Okay. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. That came out amazing. Okay. I could have put a little bit more cake mix in there, but I did not want to chance the fact that it will run over. You know what I'm saying? But guess what? Now I'm getting 2 for the price of 1. But look at this. This looks so amazing. Do we want to thumbnail and cut it? Or leave it just like that? Leave it just like this, right? I'm going to let you take your thumbnail. Then we're going to come back and cut it. So I got to cut this, got to cut this, got to cut this. Okay. I don't even know where to cut it at, but it looks so good. I don't want to cut on the pineapple. But look how moist it is. Ooh. Who want a piece of that? Who want a piece of that? And it's still hot. Look at that. I love a warm cake. Oh my goodness. You can smell the Hennessy. And when I tell you guys, the aroma in this house is amazing. Okay. It's like a rum cake. Here's the pineapple upside down cake. I'm not mad at this. I'm not at all. You can taste the Hennessy. Like, share, subscribe. Make your pineapple upside down cake, Hennessy cake. Lord. The next video, my grandchildren, my son playing music. What you tell me do there? Okay, like, I don't know what he talking about.
Hit the bell to be notified.
Oh. You can't hit the bell. Okay. Hit the bell to be notified. I'll be eating my cake. I can't with you. And you so scared to show your voice. I'm out, guys.